Namaskaram, welcome to Vidya Retreat. Welcome to Ayurveda Marma face lifting massage. This is just more than a face lifting massage because this face lifting massage or this face marma stimulation is having lot of health benefits. For example, suppose I want to treat sinus. So apart from doing this face marma massage, I will be stimulating these two marma points, and if I am having nasal congestion, that will open up immediately, right? So before I will start doing the face marma massage, I will start giving you the demo on myself. I would like to explain you about the marma points. The marma points what we are going to use on our face. Total on our neck and face we have 37 marma points, but for this massage we won't be using 37 marma points, but only the main marma energy points. So all these main marma points first I am explaining, then I will be starting with the sequence of the massage sequence, that how we are going to use these points as a face uplift massage in a sequence. So first discuss about the points. What is the point, what the marma points on our face are, and what is their work, and how we are going to stimulate them.
So the marma points, the energy points on the face as well as on the scalp, starts from Adhipati Marma, which is the center of vortex, and we have given its anatomical position according to previous dialogue. And Brahmarandra, which is the place of anterior front nair, then between these two eyebrows, as the center here, that is Thapani Ajna Marma. This Ajna Marma is connected or related to the pituitary gland, and Brahmarandra is related to the anterior coronal fossa as well as pituitary, and Murdhani and Adhipati are related to pineal gland according to ancient Vedic scriptures. I am just using modern anatomical phrases just to convey the message. Then at the center here at mandible, there are two mandible bones are joined together. There is a Hanu Marma which is related to posterior pituitary, here called testicular and cervicular pain. For that reason this marma is used. Then in between the tip of the nose and upper lips of the center of that, there is a marma called Ostha Marma, which improves cerebral circulation, and in case of loss of consciousness, if you give gentle pressure here, that improves cerebral circulation, that helps in gaining consciousness. Then on each side of nostril, there is a nasa marma, which is used for allergy bronchitis, bronchial asthma, and certain lung conditions, because pressure here sends a message to bronchial vasculation and they relax, and there is bronchial dilatation. So when a person is in wheezing and sneezing condition, this pressure is very important. Then from the root of the nose and tip of the nose and midpoint exactly on the wall of the cheek, midpoint of the nasal bridge there is a gund marma, and it is related to paranasal or sinus. If you give pressure here, it opens the sinus so that the sinus congestion will be cured by stimulating this marma. Then chibuk, which is on each side of the angle of the mouth of this marma, is quite fascinating, which is related to the digestion and reproduction organs, or testicles as well as ovaries. Then very important marma on each side of the outer angle of eye, which is a panga marma. The right apang is related to the right kidneys, and left apang is related to the left kidneys. Plus right apang is also related to ascending colon, and left apang is related to descending colon, and which is also important to maintain the lacrimation, because pressure here sends message to the tear gland, lacrimal gland, and it treats eyes and glaucoma. Now we have Karinika Marma, which is related to stomach as well as eye strain in case of gastritis. This is why a patient of hyperacidity gets burning sensation in eyes. Why? Because of this marma. So I just gave a brief introduction of these energy points. Now let's see how can we use these different marma energy points on our hand-on practical work. For this face marma massage demonstration, I am going to use sandalwood oil, which is balancing for pitta dosha, but this is also tridoshic. If you are having vat dosha, you can use nutmeg oil also. And now if suppose somebody is having kapha dosha aggravation, then they can use vacha oil or calamus root oil. Based upon individual prakritis, we all have different choices of the oils. Now let's enjoy this heavenly and relaxing massage.